Hey thrifty gardeners, welcome to Soil Books where I show you how to grow more for way less. Today I've got 10 amazing gardening hacks that will save you money and give you lush, healthy plants without emptying your wallet. Let's get started with hack number 1. Don't throw away your eggshells. Rinse, fill them with soil and start your seeds inside. When your seedlings are ready, just crush the shell and plant the whole thing. Extra calcium for your plants, zero waste for you. Number 2. Make your own seed tape. Just mix a little flour and water for paste, dot your seeds onto toilet paper, let it dry and plant the strip. You'll get perfect spacing every time, no more thinning, and you use only what you need. Third hack, banana peel fertilizer. Whenever you eat a banana, just bury the peel near your plants, especially tomatoes and roses. The potassium gives you bigger blooms and sweeter fruits. Hack 4, free mulch from your lawn. After mowing, spread out the dried grass clippings around your plants. It keeps weeds away and locks in soil moisture. And it's totally free. 5 used coffee grounds. If you drink coffee, don't toss the grounds. Sprinkle them around blueberries, azaleas or roses. They love the acidity and nutrients. Number 6. Make your own weed killer. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, add a little dish soap and spray onto weeds in the sun. It's natural, cheap and super effective. Hack 7. Milk jug watering system. Take an empty milk jug, poke small holes in the bottom and bury it next to your plants. Fill with water, and you've got slow, deep watering with zero waste. 8. Use old newspapers as a weed barrier. Lay them down, wet them, and cover with mulch. It blocks weeds, keeps soil moist, and breaks down naturally. Hack 9. Regrow veggies from kitchen scraps. Green onion roots, lettuce bases, and celery ends can sit in water and sprout new growth in just days. Last but not least, swap seeds with your neighbors or friends. You get new varieties for free and build your gardening community. Bonus time. Save rainwater in barrels for free irrigation, nature's gift. Reuse yogurt cups as starter pots. And sprinkle crushed eggshells to keep slugs away naturally. So, which hack will you try first? Or do you have your own frugal tip to share? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart gardening, and tap the bell so you don't miss a single hack. Remember, the best gardens are built on creativity, not cash. See you next time.